David Haley, you ain't the only one's got horse flies. I killed this bad boy this morning. We're down here working on the old sawmill. Got a bad valve. It's supposed to be in today. Gotta get that old one off, get it ready. This is what works, the set works. And that thing went bad, and the carriage would just keep a moving. You could even cut the power off to it. So we got to get that fixed. I tried to repair it, but that's just too big a chance to take. If that carriage started moving, that log on the carriage, well, ain't no telling what it'd do if it was a sawing, you know. There we are, you know. Got to get all this off. That's hard piped on there, so we'll have to take both them loose to raise it up enough to screw it off, but that won't be that big a deal. But we'll get it. So, this thing needs cleaned up a little bit, blowed off. Something all the time. But yeah. That boy right there. But it's been there since 1972 probably, so I guess it's time for a change.
Hey, Mike has $1 million in the savings.
Paul's talking about his woman.
And then $520,000 in the damn bank statement.
But she can't get it.
She can't get a damn airplane ticket from New Orleans to Asheville for $255.
I believe she's playing
I
you,
believe
Paul.
she's full of shit as a Christmas turkey.
Look who's back. Paul is back on the job.
Yep. Messed up finger now.
Messed up finger, his youthful appearance.
Yep.
I am glad to get Paul
even
back.
shaved yesterday.
He even shaved for this.
Yeah.
Is that all right?
I didn't shave for this. I shaved to go up with that woman tonight.
Uh-oh. He's back in rare form. He's running women. Got him.
Two of them at one time.
Oh, my goodness.
Thank God one's on a boat out in the ocean.
That's a good place for them women.
Hell yeah, it is. That's exactly right.
We ought to send them a picture of that pagola when we get it finished.
Yeah, you'll have to.
You will?
Yeah.
For
Because they was,
where we got our
we done
sawmill lumber here.
barn, you know, the other day, and they said, boy, it looks good.
Yeah.
Our lumber really looked good.
Oh, yeah.
But you know, if there's any problem with that, all you gotta do is just holler at us and we'll make it right. Because I'm the one that, you know, inspected all that. Sometimes when I help, I'll tell him throw it over here and he throws it over here, you know.
Yeah, and I'm terrible with names. What's George's names?
Carrie and Diana Holland.
Oh, okay.
Well, you know, like I said earlier, the reason we come down here from Johnson City is because we just can't get nobody else. I mean, you guys
They won't
always
answer
returned our
phone
calls.
or-
And,
Yeah. I think he was taking chemo whenever you called the first time.
Yeah,
you
he
know.
was.
But yeah, that's what we specialize in. We don't do a whole lot of big orders, you know, because it's usually just me and him. We got one other to help us sometimes, you know, but we just do the best we can.
Yeah.
I ain't never had, you know, many complaints. You know, I ain't never
Well,
had nobody bring nothing back.
this is the first time I've met you guys. And how long have I been sitting here talking to you guys? About an hour?
At least. probably.
It almost feels like your family, and I've only known you for about an hour.
But whenever I worked down in England, this colored man come in, he was, you know, he'd been drinking, and he said, he looked at me, he said, sounds like you're from Madison County, and I thought he was making fun of the way I talk, and I ain't gonna be made fun of,
Yeah.
you know. And I said, I am, and proud of it. I said, looks to me like you've been drinking some of that Madison County moonshine, you know. He said, boy, I'd like to have some. Do you know where anything? I said, no. But we have a pretty good time around here.
Back in these mountains, you could have stills and nobody even know.
No, that's right. There's a lot of them that's
Oh,
got
yeah.
it, you know. So
Yeah.
I ain't never drunk none.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.